In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Privacy section after scrolling down. Then select Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of those devices features to manage it, like Calendar. Now it's time to select one of your apps located under one of those categories, Allowed or Not Allowed. I will go with Booking from Not Allowed one. Finally, apply the best option for you by clicking on it, in my case Allow, and go back. As you can see, after that, Booking.com just gained access to this device's calendar. If you wish to, you can also go back and select one of those options only to find an app that you wish to manage. So I will go into Contacts to manage my Chrome. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!